I'm 59 years old and I have massive gut issues. And I'm always looking for ways to improve my gut and improve my skin. And I have a 2 ingredient dinner that I make once a week that is a must try for anybody that's over 50, anybody dealing with joint pain and gut issues and wants their skin to be clear and shiny and beautiful. Stick with me. Chuck roast and beef broth. High quality now. Don't be skimping. Don't be getting the Walmart special where we don't know where the beef or the chuck roast came from. That's important. The 2 ingredients, you put it in the crock pot and you let it simmer on low. That's important for at least 6 hours. At least. My husband Douglas, he makes it every week and I eat it at least 2 or 3 times a week. Why? Because I see drastic results when I eat this way. The slow cooker is doing the pre-digesting for you. That's right. It's turning tough meat into healing foods. And here's why my body and your body will love it. For your gut, that melted gelatin is like a soothing internal bandage. If you have a sensitive stomach or a leaky gut, this gelatin coats and seals the lining of your intestines. That sounds brilliant. It reduces irritation and it reduces bloating. And for your skin, the collagen is what's keeping your skin firm, right? And obviously, when we get older, we lose a lot of that. But by melting it down in the slow cooker, you turn it into a form your body can actually absorb. And you use that to rebuild your skin from the inside out. You gotta take care of your inside first if you want to see improvements on the outside. You can't just slap on, cosmetic potions and expect it to be all that. You gotta eat your way to living and feeling your best. And that is the truth. I notice it. There is a glow to my skin after I eat it. I ate that meal last night. I will eat it again tonight. And I'm telling you, I feel so good today. I woke up, my stomach felt good, my skin felt good. It's all moisturized. I love eating that way. Thing is, when it comes to the digestion, because you're going in the slow cooker, the breakdown of the tough fibers, your stomach doesn't have to do all the work for you. You've already done it. And if you chew really slow, I'm a big believer. I try to chew slow and eat slow. I'm Italian and Greek, and I grew up in a family where 5 o'clock supper, and by 10 past 5, we were done eating. So it's taken me a long time to figure it out, but I'm learning that maybe chewing my food more than once is probably better than swallowing a whole piece of meat and waiting for it to digest for 15 hours. There is that. If you're over 50, this isn't a magical meal, but it does do a couple of things. It satisfies you, it's satiating, it helps your skin, it's filled with collagen, it's filled with vitamins. I can't get this dinner, I can't get this in a supplement. I can't get this in a collagen powder. The only way to get it is through meat, through slow cooking. So if you want to try this meal, comment below, let me know if you have. And if you're experiencing gut issues and you want a way to make your skin look glowing and be clear, I'm promising you this is the way to eat. It's the only way. And this meal is healing. And there's other things you can do with it. I have a video here, IBS and what I eat in a day. If you want more information on what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel and I will keep you posted on other recipes that are going to be healing for the gut and the skin.